Hey guys, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be making a delicious beef stir fry, and we're going to be using broccoli and carrots. Pretty simple, delicious recipe that you guys will enjoy. So before we start, of course, let's just go through the ingredients so you guys will know what exactly I'm going to be using. And remember, the exact measurements can be found on my website, which is listed down to the corner right there, so you can always go check it out. So I'm going to be using some cornstarch in this recipe. I'm going to be using some broccoli, some carrots, garlic, pimento, black pepper. I'm going to be using some Chinese seasoning in this, which already has salt, so we're not going to be adding any extra salt. I'm going to be using oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and of course we have our beef. First thing we're going to do is start off with our beef. I'm going to be adding some cornstarch, some black pepper. I'm going to be adding some olive oil to this. And we can't forget our soy sauce. So now we're just going to set this aside. Next step, we're going to be seeing about our vegetables. So I came across this way. You can either just cut it straight across, or you can kind of make it a little fancy. So you're just going to cut pieces out of it, just like this. Just be careful, don't cut yourself, of course. And now we're just going to slice it up. Next step, we're going to be cooking the beef. Got some oil, olive oil in my pan. If you have a wok, feel free to use it. I'm adding my beef. So I'm going to set this aside once it's done cooking, and now on to the next step. For this step, what we're basically going to be doing is just blanching our broccoli and our carrots. So from the boiling water, we're just going to put it into some ice, so some cold water quickly, and then we're going to combine it with the beef. So once that's done, we're just going to go back to the pan with the beef that we were cooking, or a fresh pan, up to you. And to this, I'm going to be adding some olive oil. You want to keep it on low because you don't want anything to burn, as this pan already had stuff on it before. And then to this, I'm adding my chopped garlic and pimento. Next, I'm adding some sesame oil, followed by the oyster sauce. Back goes my beef, my vegetables. I'm adding just a little bit of the cornstarch and some of my Chinese seasoning. And just like that, we've got our beef stir fry. So guys, this is how easy it is to make a delicious beef stir fry. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Give it a try out. Of course, let me know what you thought about it. Send me pictures if you do try it. Thanks so much for watching, as always. See you guys in the next video.